Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel Creativa MK. This is the new tutorial that I will decorate with decoupage a tray. So I paint the whole tray with a dark brown color, then I apply a diamond shade over it to get a beautiful pearly brown color that will fit perfectly with the motif. You can see how I do that. I apply the paint with a sponge while I first go over the inner edges with a brush. And while I applied paint, I will ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and of course like this video and leave a brown heart little in the comment as a sign of support for all my work and all my beautiful tutorials. And of course all this is completely free. So I will read all the comments and I will waiting for your little brown heart. And now you can see the procedure. The tray is already getting a beautiful pearl brown color, and this pearl since over dark trick is great, and you can use it for different shades of colors to make your work even more beautiful. And now you can see the motif that I will use. This is very beautiful flowers. The motif is printed on the plain paper, and this is a larger motif, so I will slowly glue it to the base. First, I apply the water-based varnish, and you can also use the glue for decoupage, but you need to be very carefully and put the motif slowly, and I very carefully place the motif and gently squeeze out the air with a spatula. Then we squeeze out the air and the motif remains perfectly glued without wrinkles. And of course I varnish the entire tray immediately. You can see how I do that. And a little kind reminding that if you aren't, you can subscribe on my channel for more interesting tutorials. I apply a thicker layer of varnish so that the tray is completely protected during use. When the varnish has dried, apply the stencil and fill it with the silver relief paste from Cadenza, and that's it. Now I will paint the tray one more time later, and after drying for 24 hours it will be ready for use. And now you can see the procedure of applying a stencil and relief paste. You can see how I do it. It's very simple. Just put, fill and move, remove. Done. See it? It's really beautiful. I will put some stencils also in over the motif, just like a little detail. And that's it. I finished with my tutorial for today, and did you like this video? Do you like this tutorial? Write me in the comments, and cheers until next time. Bye bye.